Hello everyone. For IEP Science class today, we are going to study about heat conductivity. Okay, so before we go to the meaning of heat conductivity, so can you see in the picture I have two objects? Tell me, which thing will you choose to stir hot soup? Okay, we have ladle with plastic handle. Can you see? Plastic handle and a ladle with no plastic handle. So I will choose a ladle with plastic handle because it protects my hand from heat. Okay, if you want to stir hot soup, so you better use a ladle with plastic handle. If you want to keep some ice, which thing will you choose to keep some ice? I will choose metal bucket. Okay, we have metal bucket and plastic bucket, but I will choose metal bucket because it makes the cool last longer. And then we have plastic cup and a ceramic cup. If you want to keep hot coffee, tell me which thing will you choose to keep hot coffee? Okay, I will choose ceramic cup because it makes the heat last longer, right? So you can keep your coffee hot. Then which thing will you choose to wear in winter? We have woolen sweater and linen shirt. For me, I will choose woolen sweater because it makes us warm. Heat conductivity is the ability of material to allow heat to pass through it. So we can divide it to two groups, a heat conductor and a heat insulator. I will tell you what is a heat conductor. Can you see in the picture? We have a pan on a gas stove. When you put the pan on fire like this and you touch it, tell me, how do you feel? You will feel hot, right? Because the pan allows heat to pass through it, so you can feel the heat. Let's see which object is a heat conductor and a heat insulator. For example, as you can see, pan, right? A pan. If you put a pan on fire and you touch it, so you can feel the heat because a pan allows heat to pass through. And let's see, we have a kettle. Okay, tell me, is a kettle a heat conductor or heat insulator? A kettle is a heat conductor, right? Because it allows heat to pass through. So when you touch it, you can feel the heat. For a heat insulator, we have a glass. As I told you, if you want to keep hot coffee, you need to choose a glass to keep hot coffee or a ceramic cup because a glass do not allow heat to pass through, so it can keep your coffee hot. So a glass is a heat insulator. Then we have wooden turner. Can you see? Wooden turner protects your hand from the heat if you want to stir hot soup. So a wooden turner is a heat insulator. What next? We have pot, right? Pot. A pot is a heat conductor. Can you see? You use it to cook. So when you put a pot on fire, and if you touch it, so you can feel the heat. Then let's see, we have grill grate. Can you see? This one we called grill grate. So a grill grate is a heat conductor as well. And for a heat insulator, we have a tire. Okay, a tire is made of rubber. So a tire is a heat insulator. Then again, okay, we have a ceramic cup. As I told you, if you want to keep hot coffee, then you use a glass or a ceramic cup, right? Because a ceramic cup do not allow heat to pass through, so it can keep your coffee hot. Okay, apart from heat conductivity, we also have electrical conductivity. Remember, heat conductivity allow heat to pass through it, but for electrical conductivity, It is the ability of material to allow electricity to pass through it. So again, we can divide it to two groups. The first one, electrical conductor, and the second one, electrical insulator. Can you see we have a metal nail for electrical conductor and plastic for electrical insulator. Okay, what do you see in the picture? We have a wire. In a wire, we have copper. Can you see this one? A copper in wire. So, a copper in wire is an electrical conductor. Okay, a copper in wire allows electricity to pass through it. Can you see electricity here? Tell me, if you touch it, what do you feel? Okay, if you touch the electricity, you will get electric shock, right? So it's very dangerous. That's why we have a rubber in wire to protect you from electricity. Okay, because a rubber in wire do not allow electricity to pass through it, so you can touch it. Okay, let's see which object is an electrical conductor. We have a metal nail, right? Metal nails. So, a metal nail is an electrical conductor. Okay, then we have lead in pencil. Can you see? Lead in pencil. So, a lead in pencil is an electrical conductor. For an electrical insulator, we have glass, okay? You can touch a glass, so you won't get electric shock when you touch it. Okay, it can protect you from electricity. Then we have pencil again. But for this one, we focus on wood in pencil. Can you see? Wood in pencil. So a wood in pencil is an electrical insulator, so you can touch it. Let's see what next. Can you see copper in wire? Okay, as I told you, a copper in wire allows electricity to pass through it, so you cannot touch it. A copper in wire is an electrical conductor. Then we have coin. Okay, a coin is an electrical conductor. So for electrical insulator, we have again, can you see? Rubber in wire. So you can touch it. You cannot touch a copper in wire straightly. It is an electrical conductor. It's dangerous for you. You can only touch rubber in wire. Okay, it can protect you from electricity. Then we have plastic. Okay, plastic is an electrical insulator. So you can touch it and you won't get electric shock. And let's see. I want you to speak the sentences using the pictures. Okay, can you see we have dog, pizza, tourist place, and movie. We have two types of dog, two types of pizza, two types of tourist place, and two types of movie. I want to know, which dog do you like? Which dog do you like? I like Buck. And for pizza, which pizza do you like? I like seafood. And which tourist place do you like? For me, I like sea. So the last one, we have two types of movie. Which movie do you like? I like comedy. Then, if you open your book and turn to page number 57, you will see exercise 3.2c. They want you to categorize objects. Okay, for example, nail. Just so you know, nail is made of metal, right? Then, nail is a heat conductor. And nail is an electrical conductor. Eraser, can you see? Eraser is made of rubber. So again, it can protect you from the heat and electricity, right? Rubber can protect you from the heat and electricity. So an eraser is a heat insulator and an electrical insulator. Okay, what about coin? As you can see, coin is made of metal. So a coin is a heat conductor, and also a coin is an electrical conductor. Okay, then a glass. Okay, a glass is a heat insulator, right? Remember, if you use a glass to contain a hot coffee, so it can make the heat last longer. You can keep your coffee hot. A glass do not allow heat to pass through, so it is a heat insulator. As well, a glass is an electrical insulator. Then, book. Okay, book is a heat insulator. And book is an electrical insulator. Plastic, just so you know, plastic is a heat insulator. And again, plastic is an electrical insulator. Then, paper clip. Okay, paper clip is a heat conductor. It is made of metal as well. So, a paper clip is an electrical conductor. For a staple, staple is a heat conductor, and a staple is an electrical conductor. What about ruler? Okay, this ruler is made of plastic, right? It is a plastic ruler. A ruler is a heat insulator, and it is an electrical insulator. Okay, then shoes. We have a shoe, and a shoe is made of rubber, right? If you wear a shoe, so it can protect you from heat and electricity. So, shoe is a heat insulator, and shoe is an electrical insulator, right? So for stick and cloth, they are heat insulator and electrical insulator. That's it for today. Easy, right? So remember, for heat conductivity, we can divide it to two groups. The first one, heat conductor and heat insulator. And the same for electrical conductivity. We have electrical conductor and electrical insulator. Thank you everyone. I hope you guys enjoy the class, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.